This 2015 Nexus Viper 25 volts is a Class B plus RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Nexus and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features front entertainment, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2015 Nexus Viper 25 volts is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.